Hello mga kapatid, kumusta po? At ako po ay nagbabasa sa magandang libro po, no? An Expose of Freemasonry, 33rd Degrees of Deception, for words by Evans Rari, past Grandmaster, and Dwayne Wazom, past Worshipful Master. So ito po ay chine-check sa mga at itong mga document na ito, nagaling talaga ito sa mga hindi basta-basta na member o isang aklat na patungkol sa Freemasonry. Okay? So dito natin maunawaan ang Masonic symbol. Hindi lahat, pero pag-usapan natin. Okay? Excited na ba kayo? Sa mga nasa loob, hindi po ito dapat palaliman pa natin yung ating pagkaintindi about this Freemason Secret Society, mga kapatid. Dahil kung malalaman natin, mabuksan yung isipan natin. Okay? So, mataas po ito, mga ilang pages ito? 75 or 6 pages. Okay? Greetings muna si Cecilia Nimel, nanood sa atin. Ang unang nanood sa atin si Cristina Pulgaras, si Andrea Molina, si Owen Hart Padigos, si Ansi Alcoy, good evening po, Father. Si Bibet Guermonta, Gisi Sana, at si Siki Parihang. Good evening, Father. Si Joy Hassel Cunyales, si Gima Juliet, good evening po, Father Darwin. Si Cirilo Mantua Jr., good evening po, Father Darwin. Salamat tayo sa unang Star Senders natin. Si Army Parajes, siyang nauna. Pangalawa, si Gladys Santili Pinili. Simporios, hello Father. B.E., musta ka? Okay. So ngayon, pag-aralan natin itong Masonic symbolism. Sabi ni Tom McKinney, the ultimate deception. Okay? So kailangan natin lawakan pa. So, out of love and out of mercy, bakit tayo nag-share dito about Freemasonry? Dahil magbabasal tayo, and then isi-share ko po ito sa inyo. Para sa mga hindi pa nakaalam, kindly widen our perspective, mga kapatid. It is all about why ginagawa natin ito, because of mercy and love. No? Gusto natin na maliwanagan ang maraming mga tao na wala pang alam patungkol dito. Masonry is, according to its own philosophers, a system of pure religion expressed in symbols, one which cannot be understood without a knowledge of the true meaning of them. This makes a proper understanding of those symbols terribly important. For the Christian Mason, accepting and guarding those symbols and their secrets were his physical life at stake. He must understand them to know that he is doing right. So, kailangan malalaman natin itong mga symbols. For the many zealous Masons, trusting their obedience to their obligations to gain them entrance into the celestial lodge above, those for whom the lodge is good enough religion. The correct understanding of these symbols is the key. They believe to their eternal destiny. They are trusting in the teachings of the Lodge concerning these symbols, whether eternal redemption or damnation or at stake. So, kailangan maunawaan itong mga symbolism of Freemasonry. At ito po yung gusto kong malaman din ninyo. Herein lies the most terrible manifestation of Masonic morality. That the philosophy of the elite. Itong Freemasonry is the philosophy of the elite. Kapag hindi ka elite, ano yung elite? Yung mayaman, maimpluwensya, makapangyarihan, sikat, celebrity. Kung hindi ka elite, iwit ka, hindi ka maka-join nitong Masonic morality. Which makes whatever they do right because it is they, the elite, who do it. Bakit tama ito? Because we do it. No? Sinong nagawa nito? Ang gumawa nito, it is influential. No? The question. Having established and taught the sincere but deceived masses of Masons, the Blue Lodge Masons, plus the vast majority of 32nd degree Masons and Knights Templar, that everything depends upon the proper understanding of the symbols of Masonry. They have then deliberately deceived them as to the true meaning of those symbols. No? So, kailangan studihan talaga yung dahil they have then deliberately deceived them as the true meaning of the symbols. Hear the arrogant words of Albert Pike. Sino to si Albert Pike? Supreme Pontiff. Meron din silang Supreme Pontiff. Kung nasa Tupapa is the Supreme Pontiff of the Roman Catholic Church. Ito si Albert Pike, a supreme concept of universal Freemason, that preeminent Masonic authority. The blue degrees are but the court or portico of the temple. Part of the symbols are displayed there to the initiate, but he is intentionally misled by false interpretations. It is not intended that he shall understand them, but it is intended that he shall imagine that he understands them. Their true explanation and understanding is reserved for the adepts, the princess of Masonry, those of the 32nd and 33rd degrees. Nakasulat po ito sa aklat na Morals and Dogma page sa Freemason po itong page 819. Page 819 by Albert Pike. Okay? Anong sinabi dito? Hear the arrogant words of Albert Pike, the Supreme Pontiff of the Universal Freemasonry. That preeminent Masonry authority, the blue degrees, are but the court or portico of the temple. Part of the symbols are displayed there to the initiate, yung i-initiate, yung papasok. But he is intentionally misled by them. But it is intended that he shall imagine that he understands them. Their true explanation and meaning is reserved. The true explanation is reserved only for the depths, the princess of Masonry, those, mga prince of Masonry, those in the 32nd and 33rd degrees. Mababasa natin yan sa Morals and Dogma, page 819. Sino nagsabi nito? Si Albert Pike. Sino si Albert Pike? Supreme Pontiff of Universal Freemasonry. So, ang sabi nito, he is intentionally misled by false interpretations. It is not intended that he shall understand them, but it is intended that he shall imagine that he understands them. So, mag-imagine lang na naka-intindi, pero hindi talaga. Yan po ang nakasulat dito sa Morals and Dogma, page 819. Ngayon, so, very crucial po. No? Sana po ay malawakan nyo po yung pagkaintindi natin, lalo-lalo na sa Masonic symbolism. Dahil sa pasalamat tayo kay Tom McKinney na nag-expose nito. Sa kanyang mga series of seminars, talks, marami po. At marami pong natauhan, marami pong naliwanagan, marami pong namulat sa pamagitan ng kanyang aklat. Okay? Foundation of Masonic symbolism. So ano ba yung foundation nito sa Masonic symbolism? Ma-amaze kayo. It is a phallic worship. Yung phallic worship, it is all about the organ, male organ, mga kapatid. Yung phallic, images, ito po. Tingnan natin, para ipakita ko sa inyo. Basta phallic symbol is the organ of the foundation of the Masonic symbolism, phallic worship. Okay? So, bago ko i-share yung meaning, yung symbol. Since the true meaning of Masonic symbols, and thus the true meaning of Masonry itself, is to be known only by the prince adepts of Masonry, yung mga 32nd and 33rd, we must hear what they say concerning them. They, sino nagsasabi nito? Albert Pike, Albert Mackey, G.D. Burke, Daniel Sickles, and others, teach us that Masonry is but a revival of ancient mysteries. Ano itong Freemasonry? Base ni Albert Pike, ni Albert Mackey, G.D. Burke, Daniel Sickles. Ito po yung mga known Mason, mga sikat na Mason. Ano ang teaching sa Freemasonry? Is but revival of the ancient mysteries. Ano ba itong ancient mysteries? The pagan mystery religious of Babylon, Egypt, Persia, Rome, and Greece. Revival pala ito. No? Sino nagsabi? Si Daniel Sickles and others. Albert Pike, Albert Mackey, G.D. Burke, G.D. Burke, Daniel Sickles. The ancient religion have two meanings or interpretation. One was apparent, exoteric. Ano itong exoteric? Exoteric meaning known to the uninitiated, ignorant masses, The other, ignorant masses. So, itong meaning, so pinakita nila. Known lang sa mga tao. Marami silang mga double meaning ng mga kapatid. And the other is esoteric, meaning was the true meaning entirely different. Known only by small elite group initiated into the secrets and secret rituals or worship. Merong nalalaman sa common people, yung tinatawag na exoteric. Meron ding nalalaman sa inner circle, the small elite, yung naging member na. Tinatawag yung esoteric. Okay? So, mga elite lang po ito, philosophy of the elite. So, ipakita ko yung, it is a phallic worship. Ano ba itong image of phallic? It is the, ito po. It is the organ of men. No? Yan po ang phallic. So, the foundation of Masonic symbolism, it is a phallic worship. It is a worship of the organ of man. No? So, yan po ang nakasulat dito, ha? So, patuloy. These mystery religions were forms of nature worship. Nature worship. These mystery religions were forms of nature worship, most specifically, most commonly, the worship of the sun. The nature worship. Worship of the sun as a source and giver of light to the earth. So, yung araw, nagbigay buhay sa sanlibutan, sa ating mundo. Since ancient times, this worship of the sun and of the moon, stars, and nature in general has been sexual in its outworkings. Sexual in manifestation, kaya phallic worship. And rituals. Since the sun's rays penetrating the earth, and bringing about new life has been central to such worship. The phallus, the male generative principle, has been worshipped as representing the sun's rays. Yung pinatawag sa laki, no, is the symbol representing sun's rays, no, penetrating the earth, no. In this way, the phallus has been worshipped. Yung phallus representing the sun, being worshipped in the ritual's climax with sexual union. In the mystery religions of Isis and Osiris, Thamus, Baal, etc. In summary, then, since the ancient mysteries, especially those of Egypt, are in fact the old religion, yung mga pyramid, diba? Old religion, of which Freemasonry is so proud to be a revival. So sila yung revival sa mga ancient religion. No? The symbols of Masonry should be expected to be phallic in true meaning. Reality is beyond the scope of this brief summary. However, some examples with references to Masonic authorities will suffice to illustrate this astonishing fact. Makabagbagdamdamin itong katotohanan na ito. So, hina-highlight ni Tom McKinney, the foundation of Masonic symbolism is phallic worship. Okay? So, punta naman tayo sa square and symbol. Okay? Pinakita ko na yung phallic, yung image sa phallic, no? It is a phallic worship. And then, yung symbol nila, Masonic logo. Ito yung logo, mga kapatid. Ito yung logo nila, di ba? May square at may compass. Okay, nasa itaas. May letter J sa gitna. Blue Lights Masons are taught that the square is to remind them that they must be square in their dealings with all men. That is, to be honest. So, to be honest always. The compass, they are taught, is to teach them to circumscribe their passions. That is, to control their desires, to be temperate. The real meaning of these great lights, however, is sexual. The square represents the female passive. Ito po, yung square, nasa ibaba. Ito yung the square represents the female passive. Ito po, ito yung female. Generative principle, the earth. Yung female is the earth. The sun is the male. And the baser, sensual nature. And the compass represents the male, active. Ito po, yung compass. Representing the male. Generative principle, siya yung mag-generate. And the sun, heavens, the higher, the spiritual nature. So ito yung spirit, the sun. Ito yung phallic symbol. Patuloy. The compass arranged above the square symbolizes the male sun. The male, a sun, impregnating the passive female, the earth, which is life-producing race. So, siya nagbigay buhay sa babae. Siya nagbigay ng additional na buhay sa pamagitan ng it is sexual in nature, mga kapatid. The true meaning, then, are twofold. The earthly human representation are the man and his fellows, and the woman with her receptive cities, the vagina. No? Ito po. The sun god. The cosmic meaning is that of the active sun deity and the sun guide from above, imparting life into the passive earth. Deity, the earth, fertility goddess below, and producing new life. Ito po yung nirarit niya yung the square and the compass. The letter G, sa gitna. The Blue Lodge Mason is taught that the G is the basic Masonic symbol represents God. Later on, he is told that it represents deity. He is told that it represents geometry. In reality, this letter represents the generative principle, the sun, the sun god, and thus the worship follows the male generative principle in its position along with the square and compass on the east wall over the chair, the throne of the worshipful master. It is the representation of the sun, thus of sun god Osiris. Its earthly meaning then is of the sacred phallus. No? Its cosmic meaning is of the sun, worship since antiquity by pagans, while facing the east. So, kita ninyo mga kapatid, ina-highlight dito yung worship of phallus, no? The sun god. The G and the Yud. The English letter G in Masonic symbolism is inseparable from and identical with the Hebrew letter Yud. This Yud is a symbol of the Scathis right ring. Yud represents deity in general, its cosmic meaning, and the worship phallus in particular, its earthly meaning. Albert Pike wrote that the G displayed in English-speaking lodge is merely a corruption of the Yud, with which it should be replaced. And that the mysterious Yud of the Kabbalah. Ito po. Yud of Kabbalah. He refers to here a medieval book of the occult. So related pala ito sa occult. Kung pag-aralan ninyo na mabuti. We have the whole Kabbalah. Itong Kabbalah is the book of occult. A highly mystical and magical interpretation of the Old Testament. An important source book for sorcerers and magicians. So, yan po. Ang source ito is Kabbalah. Ano itong Kabbalah? It is a source book for sorcerers and magicians. So, kung palalimin pa natin, it is related to occultism, mga kapatid. Okay? Punta tayo. Sino nagsabi niyan? Si Albert Pike. No? The supreme concept of the Freemasonry. Okay? So, ang conclusion na dito, foundation of Masonic symbolism is phallic worship. The worship of the organ of man. The point within a circle. Sabi niya dito, the Masons of the Blue Lodge are taught that the point within the circle represents the individual Mason. The point contained and restricted by a boundary line. Mayroong circle at may point sa gitna. Boundary line of his duty, the circle. Its real meaning, however, is that of the phallus. Balik naman tayo sa phallus. Position within the female generative principle sex organ in sexual union, the climatic act of sun god worship. Grabe, no? So it is the worship of the sun, and that sun is the phallus of man. Dr. Albert Mackey, already quoted herein, always writes in his classic work Symbolism of Freemasonry, page 352. So kinuquote talaga niya, no? yung kanyang documented talaga ito para ma-widen, sama-sama tayong mag-aral, sama-sama tayong mag-research para matulungan tayo lahat. Okay? Anong sabi niya? Follows a representation of the virile member. Virile member. Ang pronunciation nito? Virile member, which was venerated as religious symbol. Just imagine yung phallus, yung organ of man, is being the symbol, one of the important symbolism of Freemasonry. Sino nagsabi ito? Hindi basta-basta po. Kaya nga influential sa Freemasonry. Okay? So, well documented po ito. Phallus, a representation of the virile member, which was venerated as religious symbol. It was one of the modifications of sun worship and was a symbol of fecundating power and that luminary. The Masonic point within a circle is undoubtedly of phallic origin. The organ of man. Cosmic meaning of this symbol is that of the sun surrounded by the universe. On the following page, 353, he writes, point within a circle, it derived from sun worship and is in reality a phallic origin. In his manual of the Lodge, page 156, Mackey writes, the point within a circle is an important symbol in Freemasonry, but it has been debased in the interpretation of it in the modern lectures. And sooner that interpretation is forgotten by the Masonic student, the better it will be. Mas mabuti na hindi nila na malalaman. Mabuti na makalimot na sila sa true meaning nito. Okay. The symbol is really a beautiful but somewhat abstruse allusion to the old sun worship. Dami nila. And introduces us for the first time to the modification of it, known among the ancients as the worship of the phallus. So, hindi basta-basta, no? As a worship of the phallus. Sino nagsabi nito? Si Albert Mackey. I-search natin yung background ni Dr. Albert Mackey. Ito basta-basta taong ito. Prominent American Freemason scholar, author, best known for his extensive writings on Freemasonry. He played a significant role in shaping modern Masonic thought and is regarded as one of the most influential figures of Masonic literature. So, inamin dito Nandiyan yan basa sa Manual of Lodge, page 156. Sana po ay mabuksan yung isipan ninyo sa dokumentong ito. Hindi po, siya po the most influential figures in Masonic literature. Okay? So, punta naman tayo sa vertical line. The two vertical lines touching the sides of the circle are represented to the Blue Lodge Mason as the Holy Saints John. By this is meant John the Baptist and John the Apostle. So, dalawa pala ito. In reality, two vertical lines represent the summer and winter solstice, the shortest and longest nights of the year, represented respectively. These nights are, and have been since antiquity, important periods for pagan worship. So, itong mga panahong ito, very important related to sun worship and worship of the phallus. Related to sila. At sabi niya dito, the point within a circle is an interesting and important symbol of Freemasonry, but it has been debased in the interpretation of it, the modern lectures. And the sooner that interpretation is forgotten by the Masonic student, the better it will be. Para hindi nila malalaman yung real meaning nito. Pero the original meaning, so may dalawa sila ano yung meaning, unang meaning? Sabi dito, exoteric and esoteric. Exoteric meaning known to the uninitiated, ignorant masses. Yung mga tao, malaman lang sila kaunti. But esoteric meaning was the true meaning. Meaning was the true meaning. Entirely different. True meaning, but entirely different. and known only by small elite group initiated into their secrets and secret rituals of worship. So, they worship the phallic, the phallus. Yan ang sinasabi ni Dr. Mackey. Dr. Albert Mackey. The symbolism and Freemasonry. Patuloy tayo. A pagan worship. Concerning these two lines, vertical lines. Vertical lines. These two lines, Albert Mackey has written Symbolism of Freemasonry, page 352. The lines touching represent Saint John the Baptist and Saint John the Evangelist, but they really refer to the soul's solstitial points, Cancer and Capricorn, Cancer and Capricorn in zodiac sign. Related sa mga symbols, zodiac sign. The Bible, dito po mamiss kayo. The Bible, only one of the three great lights, yan sabi nila, one of the three great lights of Masonry, along with the square and compass, is represented to the Blue Lodge, Masons, as symbolizing truth. In reality, the Bible may be replaced with the Quran, the book of the law, the Hindu scriptures, or any other holy book, depending on the preferences of the men in the lodge. In most American lodges, the members are told that the entire Masonic systems and its rituals are based on the Bible. Yun ang tinuturo nila. It is based on the Bible. Such, however, is not the case. In Albert Chase, Digest of Masonic Law, page 207 and 209, it is clearly written that Masonry has nothing whatever to do with the Bible, and that it is not founded upon the Bible. For if it is where, it would not be Masonry. It would be something else. Kung founded yan sa Biblia, hindi yan Masonry. It is, it would be something else. Okay? Sino nagsabi nito? One of the pillars of Freemasonry. Albert Pike, in writing on subject of Masonry's search book, said, Masonry is a search after light. That search leads us directly back, as you see, to the Kabbalah. Inarit ko ito, itong Kabbalah. Sa Morals and Dogma, page 741. The Kabbalah then seems to be the actual source book of Masonry. Ito talagang tinatawag na Kabbalah. Ito talaga yung source book nila. And the Bible merely, as it is spoken of in the ritual, a piece of the furniture of the lodge. Parang decorative lang yung Biblia. Okay? So sana po manlaman ito sa mga member, sa mga Freemason, para ma-enlighten naman sila. Dahil marami sa kanila hindi ito alam. Okay? So ang source book nila, hindi Bible, hindi Quran. Furniture lang yung Quran, yung Bible. But the source book nila ay tinatawag na Kabbalah. For more information concerning Masonic symbols and their true meanings, ito yung mga aklat: Masonic Report, Answer Books and Tapes, No Cross, Thorns, Should a Christian be a Mason, New Puritan Library. Ang daming sinusulat niya dito. So, A notes, para maintindihan natin yung discussion natin. A notes, phallus, a representation of a Veru member, male sex organ. So, ano itong phallus? Worship of phallus. A male sex organ, which was venerated as a religious symbol very universally by the ancients. Excuse me, man. It was one of the modification of sun worship, related ito sa sun worship, mga kapatid. It was a symbol of fecundating, impregnating power of that luminary. The Masonic point within a circle is undoubtedly a phallic origin. Ano yung phallic? A male sex organ. No. Mackey Albert, Symbolism of Freemasonry, 352. Kabbalah. Ano itong Kabbalah? Is a medieval. Ito yung source book ng, ito talaga yung tunay na foundation sa Freemasonry. The source book, it is called Kabbalah. It is a medieval and modern system of theosophy, mysticism, and thaumatology. It's all about magic. Okay, Webster's New Collegiate Dictionary, page 53. These two divinities were commonly symbolized the generative parts of man and woman. So itong two divinities, it is all about organs of man and woman, the phallus and the cities, the vagina. emblems of generation and production, which as such appeared in the mysteries. The ancient lingam was the union of both, as were the boat and mast, and the point within the circle. So Albert Pike, Morals and Dogma, page 401. Nakita ninyo, symbolic, ang highlight na nito, it is an ultimate deception, mga kapatid. Sana po ay, it is a foundation of Masonic symbolism, the phallic worship. It is a worship of the sun. And the sun is representing the phallus of man, and the vagina, the earth. The square is the symbol of the organ of woman, and the compass is the symbol, phallic symbol of man. Okay. So the foundation of Masonic symbolism is a phallic worship. Yan po ang nakasulat dito. So sana po ay meron kayong natutunan sa gabing ito. So pasalamat na lang tayo sa mga malugod dating Si Rick Jess Tirana, maayong gabi, Father. Iampo ko, Father, sa akong anxiety na ako sa sked sa Danbantayan, Father. Continue praying, bro, and trust everything to the Lord. All is well. Mama Mary is with us. Si Ami Neelga, 100 stars. Si Gina Gibara, 50 stars. Si Army Parahis, additional 50 stars. Si Sukay Garpol, additional 100 stars. Si Army Parahis, additional, very generous, 50 stars. Si Janine GDP. Okay na ka, Father, ayaw sa pangalsa. Kaya fresh pa na imong samad, wala pa. Concerned citizen here from Davao City. Salamat, Sister Janine. 150 stars. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa inyo, ha? At greetings na lang tayo. Greetings lang tayo. Benedict Pinado, si Amina Elga, si Gladys, very informative. Gladys Antilla Pinili. Si Makel Ruby Boy is watching. Si Merlin Miloria Arabaca. Christopher Sodikta Dallas is watching. So, nakakaalam lang nito yung mga symbol. The real meaning of the symbols is the Prince Adept. Prince, sabi dito, but it is intended that he shall imagine that he understands them. Their true explanation and understanding is reserved for the adepts, the princess, principe of Masonry. Okay? Sino ba ito? 32nd and 33. So, yan lang sa po muna, ha? Yung isi-share ko sa inyo, Fighting Maria, to accept thee with a humble heart. God bless.